Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. This video is a tutorial on how to use reference images in Midjourney version 4. In this video, we're going to show you how you can use the platform Midjourney and reference images from Google to create your own custom images. So Midjourney is an AI tool. We are going to take you through how you can sign up or register on it using Discord and how you can get this AI tool to create images for you with your preferred reference images. So there's a lot going on in this video. Make sure you're sticking till the end. So as you can see, we are on midjourney.com. This is the website or platform that we're going to use to create custom images. Now for that, we need to go to Google Images because we need some reference images. Type in whatever you want. I'm going to type in anime girl and download some pictures for our image. And let's just see. Look for something that is clear with a clear background or something like that, and that it should be a portrait look. Like if you want to download a photo of a person, make sure it's a portrait photo and the face is clear, because Midjourney is nothing but an AI tool and it's going to use the features of the face and everything to create a custom image. So okay, this one looks like but I don't think it's a JPG format. So yeah, we need the JPG format of the image to upload to Midjourney to create an image. So let's just scroll down further and search for a good image. And yeah, that looks like a good one now. Just right click and save it to your system. And like that, you can search for good images, be it of a person or an anime or whatever it is. So I've gotten 2 images right now. Now let's search for something else, because you need 2 or 3 images to merge so that the AI will work. So I'm going to search for sunset and we've got all these results. Let's look for something that's of good quality like this one. Again, right click and just save it to your system. And so now that we have gotten our image, you need to make sure that they are of the JPG format like this. So as you can see over here, all the 4 images that I downloaded are of the JPG format. Now let's go to the platform where all the magic is going to happen with our images, and that's midjourney.com. So if you have an account on Midjourney, you just need to click the sign in button over here. Make sure you are logged into your Discord account. So yes, you need a Discord account to use Midjourney because both of them are going to be connected. So you are going to authorize Midjourney to connect with your Discord account. Now for this feature that is creating images using resource images, we need to join the beta form. So click on join the beta, and it'll open the Discord app. Make sure you are logged in and you will have this kind of a pop-up. All you need to do is click on accept invite and it'll be accepting an invite. There will be this reCAPTCHA or whatever confirmation you need to do that you are human and not a bot. So just fill it and then it'll show that it is accepting the invite. And once the invitation is accepted, it'll open in your Discord and you can see that you are currently in the Midjourney thread. On the left sidebar, you can see that there is info, support, and then newcomer rooms. We need to focus on the newcomer rooms. Let's just enter one of these rooms, and I'm clicking here on newbie 149. And you can see this is how the chat room will look like. There are a couple of images here. And this is exactly what we want Midjourney to do for us. We want it to create custom images using reference images that we will provide. So you will need to search in this chat for Midjourney bot, because that's the guy who's going to be doing our job. If you're not able to find Midjourney bot in the thread over here, what you need to do is go to the members list over here. So you can show the members list on the right side. A pane will open and this is the members list. You can just scroll through it and find Midjourney bot. And once you've found it, you need to click on it and it'll open a menu over here and you need to hit add to server. Server is something that you need to connect your Discord and Midjourney. And once you have clicked that, this pop-up window will open and over here you need to connect to a server. So you need to create a server first of all with your Discord. Right now I don't have one and so it is not found over here. So let's click cancel over here and I'll show you how to add a server. click this plus icon on the left sidebar and then hit create my own. Let's skip this question for now. We're going to focus on how to create a server. Give your server a name and then hit the create button. And so now that your server has been created, let's go back to Midjourney over here and make sure you're on the newbie thread. Go to the members list on the right, click on Midjourney bot and click to add to server. And now in the drop down menu, you can see that there appears this server that we've just created. And then click the continue button and you will need to give the set of permissions to get this authorized or get this done. So you're agreeing to it and click the authorize button. And then you'll need to confirm that you are human. So just go ahead and do that. And once you verify that you are a human, then the authorization is complete, as you can see over here. Now we need to go to that particular server in which we had authorized just now. And you can see that this is kind of a chat thread. Now let's start using this platform Midjourney to create images. First of all, we need to provide it our resource images. And for that, you need to hit this plus icon and click on upload a file and upload all the files that you want to create a custom image with. And you can see over here, I have uploaded all the 3 images successfully. Now let's give it a command. To do that, type in the / and type in info. So this is just how to find out about your profile and your membership. Like what is the status of your membership currently. So before we start, this is important. So just type in / info and hit enter twice and you will be able to see these details. So you can see your subscription and this is important. That is the fast time remaining. So you will get 25 minutes in the free trial. So you can use this app for 25 minutes for free to create whatever you want. Okay, so let's move ahead. Now let's create the image. Again, type in / and type in imagine and then it'll show you prompt. Select that. Now within the prompt, you will need to give in the URL of the image that you want Midjourney to use. So go to the image and right click on it and hit on copy image address. So you're going to paste the image. So here I need 2 images to be merged together. So I'm going to paste the first image's link, hit the space button and paste the second image's link. Then add a space and type in something like HQ for high quality so that your image that's going to be generated will be of high quality. Then add a space and I'm going to type in 4K because that's what I want. Then add a comma and let's type in something like painting. So this is going to be the appearance or reference that it's going to use. Once you've given all those commands, put in a comma, add in 2 hyphens, and then add we space 4. Then hit the enter button. And over here, you will need to click on accept. Now, once that is done, the platform is going to take some time to generate the images. So just wait for it to load. It is currently loading. Don't get scared or anything. It's going to load and show you the results soon. So you can see the images have been generated over here. You will get 4 versions like this. And below the image, you can see that there are 2 rows. One is U1 to 4 and the next is V1 to 4. V stands for version, U stands for upscale. So now let's go ahead and select an image from these 4. I kind of like this second one. So let's create more versions of it by hitting V2. Again, the platform is going to take some time to generate that. Don't get scared by it. It's going to generate it. And yeah, it's doing a good job over here. And now you can see that these are 4 variations of the image that I had selected. I kind of like this one. So let's see if we can upscale it. So I'm going to click on U2. And again, the platform is going to take some time to upscale it. And once that is done, you can see that this is the upscaled version. So in this way, you can create more versions. You can upscale a version that you like. It's only that the platform will take some time to generate it according to your input. So this is basically how you can use Midjourney to create an image from resource images. This brings this video to an end. We truly hope it has benefited you. Do let us know your thoughts in the comments section below. We'll catch you soon in our next one. Till then, stay tuned and stay subscribed.